Today we're gonna be making pumpkin spice popcorn. All right, we got 1 cup of orange sugar here. We're gonna be making pumpkin spice. So we're gonna add to this 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice seasoning. And this is what it looks like here. You can buy that in any grocery store. And we'll just mix it up and we'll get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn. All right, popcorn's popping there. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of our pumpkin spice orange colored sugar. All mixed up. Oh wow, you can really smell that. That smells really good. Go. Give it a little bit of salt. All right, we'll mix it up. Let it cool down just a little bit. Oh yeah, you can really smell the spices on this. It's nice festive orange, just like fall weather. Let's give it a try. It's not quite cooled down yet, but you can see all that coating on there. Oh yeah, it's nice and sweet. And it's got some great pumpkin spice flavor. Oh, just right in the bag, you can taste that nutmeg, which is really great. A little bit of cinnamon in there, and you have that sweet sugar. This is terrific. So get out there and get popping.